Hey everyone, so just on 6 months follow-up on my transplant, and I purposely have hidden the camera because I don't think you're going to believe what you're going to see now on my head. It is ridiculous. So here we go. I have hair, a lot of it, and it is crazy. Look how much hair I have. Uh, it's quite amazing. When I was at about 3 months in, my wife looked at me and she'd said, well, the hair's growing, but I hope it grows a bit more. And I was pretty happy with it, to be fair. And between month three and now, which is about 6.5 months since I've had it done, the growth is phenomenal. I had a haircut yesterday, and even my hairdresser is just like, wow. So if you're doing this, if you're going on this journey, do know that initially the result is it's pretty quick to uptake and you'll be happy with it, but man, does it improve. And a couple of things, I've been looking back at photos of me, and I think I mentioned in one of my earlier videos that I never really thought I didn't have hair or I was losing that much hair. But let me tell you, I've looked back and I lost so much hair. I look at some of my past photos now, it's quite embarrassing actually. And it's quite interesting. A lot of my colleagues and friends in the medical industry, because it's the industry I'm in, have seen my posts and my videos and have been getting hold of me, and they're really impressed. And a lot of people who don't know that I've done this think I look younger, my face looks trimmer, so a whole lot of benefits associated with it. My toughest job with the new hair is deciding how to style it and brush it, but it's pretty cool being able to discuss that with my hairdresser, barber, whatever you call it, or hairstylist, and actually have a lot of fun with my hair now. And yeah, I'm pretty happy, and the team at DHI tell me it's going to get even better and better and better. So this is just on 6 months. Again, one of the best experiences of my life, actually. I would do it again over and over, 100 times over. It's been fun. It has been an amazing journey, and I don't think I battled with confidence, but gee, it's really given me a good boost. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. It's looking good, and I'm really over the moon with it. So look forward to catching up with you and updating you again in a month or two's time. But geez, I couldn't be happier.